In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checkout page in Squarespace. We'll begin on the Squarespace account dashboard. From here, open your main dashboard so you can access your site's controls, then head straight into your website. If you manage more than one site, make sure you're opening the correct one you want to customize. This brings you into the site configuration area where all the tools for design and commerce live. Inside the website panel, go to Pages. Your regular page list is where you manage content like home and about, but what we need is a special area called System Pages. System Pages are the built-in pages that power your store's experience, such as the cart, checkout, order confirmation, and customer account pages. Open System Pages, then choose Checkout. This loads a live preview of your checkout flow alongside the settings you'll use to fine-tune it. At the top of the preview, click your site title. This is where the header elements are shown in the checkout experience. Keeping a consistent brand signal here reassures shoppers they're still on your site while they pay, but you also want the header to stay uncluttered so the focus remains on completing the purchase. Next, open the registration section. This area controls how customers sign in or create an account during checkout. Take a moment to review how the page introduces registration and how it guides returning customers versus new shoppers. A clear registration flow reduces friction and can improve conversion, while still encouraging account creation for future orders and saved details. Click into the email field to see how your form inputs look and feel. You're not submitting anything here. You're just inspecting labels, placeholders, and spacing so the form remains easy to scan. When you're ready, proceed by clicking Continue in the preview to move forward in the checkout steps. This lets you verify how the page transitions and whether the progress feels smooth. Open the order summary to confirm that line items, quantities, and totals display cleanly. Then move into the payment section and check the layout of the payment form elements. Finally, step into the review and purchase screen to ensure customers see a concise recap before placing their order. Walking through these screens helps you catch small visual issues before they impact buyers. Now let's refine the look. Start with background color. Choose a neutral or on-brand color with enough contrast to keep text and form fields readable. A calm, high-contrast background lowers cognitive load and keeps attention on the actions that matter. Toggle Show Site Logo if you want that extra brand reinforcement in the header. Then adjust the title color so headlines stand out against your background without overwhelming the page. Use header alignment to position your title and optional logo in a way that matches your theme. Centered can feel balanced and clean, while left aligned can echo a more traditional layout. Next, set the button color. This is one of the most critical design choices on the checkout page. Pick a color that contrasts strongly with the background and body text, so primary actions are unmistakable. If you're ever unsure, test a few swatches and prioritize accessibility and clarity. If your experiments go too far, use reset styles to defaults to return the checkout to its base styling. A helpful tip is to note your brand's hex codes and preferred settings before you explore, so you can quickly reapply them after a reset. Before you wrap up, preview the layout on different devices. Switch to desktop view to confirm spacing, column widths, and alignment for larger screens. Then switch to mobile view to check touch targets, line lengths, and how sections stack. Return to desktop view to make any final adjustments with a fresh perspective. This quick device tour ensures the checkout is clear and fast, no matter where customers are buying. That's it. You've opened the checkout, reviewed the flow, and tailored the design so it looks polished and performs well. Follow these same steps anytime you update your brand colors or want to refine the purchasing experience.